Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars SP8 V3 full gauntlet glove. As of the time we're shooting this video, the SP8 V3 retails for $99.95. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes along with the product itself has been completely redesigned. Start off with sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That is what I have on in the SP8 V3. They fit and feel exactly as I would expect. So I would say for most, order your common size. You should get a good, comfortable fit. Who are these gloves right for? This is going to be a street full gauntlet glove. This is not the kind of glove that I would take to the racetrack for track days or any form of racing. Okay, so it's a more, I certainly don't want to use the word casual because it's not. It's a robust gauntlet glove. It just lacks the palm slider that I like to see on anything that we would use on the racetrack. This glove is put together using a combination of goat skin, some synthetic leather, and we have some textiles throughout the glove that we'll try and point out to you. Has a nice knuckle protector that has a good amount of flexibility, so it makes it really comfortable as you wrap your fingers around the bars. It has the pinky finger bridge. They have stitched in some memory foam protectors for all of the fingers. In between the fingers to keep it light, there is a textile panel. From what I could tell, that panel is sprayed on the back with some rubber type material so it does not flow air. You're not going to find any air coming in the glove there, but that panel does help the glove wear very light. Touchscreen compatibility here on the index finger and the thumb. We have an additional panel of material here in the area where your hands are going to touch the bars the most to help keep the service life of the glove higher. There is a stretch panel that is stitched in between the index finger and the thumb. It just simply makes the glove more comfortable. We have a synthetic overlay here in the high impact area, piece of memory foam here with an aramidite type fabric for additional abrasion resistance over the top of it. Safety strap, gauntlet adjuster, heavy perforation all in the thumb area here up into the gauntlet, little stretch panel right there in the gauntlet, some foam, inserts to protect the back of the hand and the end of the ulna, little motion panel right here. Just allows the glove to move more with you as you wrap your fingers around the bars. All in all, what do I think? I think this is a well-executed sub $100 full gauntlet glove that is going to be an excellent option for street riding. As I said earlier, this is not the kind of glove I would take to the track. With that said, if you're going to do your first ever track day, just kind of dip your toes in, and this is what you have for street riding. If you're riding in the beginner group, you could pull that off with this pair of gloves for sure. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.